Welcome to Review Lab. The best back-to-school picture props is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked elements for capturing those precious first-day-of-school memories, transforming a simple snapshot into a cherished keepsake that tells a story of growth and excitement, ensuring that every smile, every new backpack, and every proud moment is framed perfectly for years of reminiscing. Number 5. Big Dot of Happiness Classic Back-to-School Photo Booth Props Kit. Get ready for the first day of school with this fun photo booth prop kit. It includes everything you need to create memorable pictures. Assembly is a breeze. Simply attach the props to the sticks with the included stickers. You'll be ready for photos in no time. These props are perfect for all ages, from kids to adults. Everyone will love the hilarious faces and unique designs. Use them for photos, as a centerpiece, or to decorate your candy buffet. They add a festive touch to any school-themed celebration. Crafted from thick cardstock, these props are professionally printed and ready to use. They are proudly made in the USA. What we like? This prop kit offers a generous 20 pieces, making it perfect for larger groups or multiple photo opportunities. Assembly is a breeze with included sticks and stickers. If you're hosting a classroom party or a big family gathering and need plenty of fun props for everyone, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the designs are cute, perfect for capturing those precious first day of school memories. These props are sturdy and well made, they held up great throughout the photo session and can be reused for years to come. The variety of props included is fantastic, offering different themes and styles to suit any child's personality and grade level. Number 4. Eureka Valentine's Day Cookie Cutouts. Get ready to spread some Valentine's Day cheer with these adorable cookie-themed cutouts. They're perfect for adding a festive touch to any classroom. You'll receive 36 decorative cutouts in 3 sweet designs, pink, red, and cream cookies. That's 12 of each design to get creative with. These are a fantastic way for teachers to quickly decorate bulletin boards, doors, and windows. They add instant seasonal charm to your learning space. No prep needed. These cutouts are ready to go right out of the package. You can even personalize them with student names or special messages. Made from durable, heavy cardstock, these decorations are built to last. You can enjoy them year after year, making them a great value. Each cutout is approximately 5.5 inches tall, making them a versatile size for all your classroom decorating needs. Just add your own adhesive. What we like? With 36 pieces in 3 charming designs, these cutouts are ideal for adding a festive touch to your classroom. They are ready to use and can be customized with student names. If you're a teacher looking for an easy and reusable way to decorate your bulletin boards or doors for a specific holiday, these are a great option. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the designs are cute, perfect for capturing those special first day of school memories. These props are sturdy and well made, they held up great throughout the photo session and can be reused for years to come. The variety of signs included is fantastic, offering different messages and styles to suit various ages and grades. Number 3. First Day of School Board, 10 double-sided boards. Start a fun back-to-school tradition with these essential signs. They're perfect for documenting those precious first and last days of school. Unlike others, our signs are proudly made in the USA with thick cardstock. You can trust in their quality for years to come. With 10 double-sided signs, you can capture a whole decade of your child's growth. Take adorable photos and create lasting memories. Easily record your child's progress and milestones before they pass. These signs are perfect for documenting their educational journey. From preschool to elementary, these signs are perfect for any age or grade level. Use them for kindergarten, first grade, and beyond. We're so confident in our product that we offer a lifetime manufacturer warranty. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like? This set provides 10 double-sided boards, allowing you to capture both the first and last day of school for a decade. They are proudly made in the USA and come with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you value durability, a long-term tradition, and supporting domestic manufacturing, this is the sign for you. What people say. The props are sturdy and well made, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. The variety of designs included in the set is impressive, offering many creative options for photos. These props are easy to assemble and hold, making the photo session smooth and fun. Number 2. First day of school board, rainbow theme. Commemorate the first and last day of school with these charming, double-sided boards. They're perfect for capturing those precious memories throughout their academic journey. Announce their new grade with these fun and easy-to-use signs. They're a wonderful way to share their excitement for daycare, kindergarten, or any grade up to 7th. Get 10 signs for the price of 1. These reversible boards offer incredible value, giving you more options for less. Featuring a vibrant rainbow theme, these signs are reversible and packed with fun elements like chalkboards, apples, and pencils. Each side offers a unique way to document their school year. Made from thick, high-quality matte cardstock, they are a breeze to write on. This allows for truly personalized and unique school announcement signs. Why buy 2 separate signs when one reversible board does it all? Save money and storage space with this smart, double-sided solution. You'll adore the thoughtful design and superior quality of these cards. They are crafted to make your school year photos extra special. What we like? Get 10 double-sided signs at a great value, perfect for announcing each new school year. The thick cardstock is easy to write on, allowing for personalized messages. If you're looking for a vibrant and customizable way to document your child's academic journey from preschool through elementary school, this colorful option is ideal. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the designs are cute, perfect for capturing those special back-to-school moments. These props are sturdy and well-made, they held up great throughout the photo session and can be reused. The variety of signs and accessories included offers many creative options for different age groups and school subjects. Number 1. Back-to-school party photo booth props, pack of 30. Get ready for your back-to-school party with these fun photo booth props. They are perfect for capturing memories on the first day of school. Crafted from top-quality cardstock, these props are designed to last. The included photo frame and accessories are built for durability. This pack includes everything you need: 1 photo frame, 29 party props, 29 sticks, and 29 adhesive pieces for easy assembly. Setting up is a breeze. Simply attach the props to the sticks using the provided adhesive. You can place them anywhere you like for your party or photos. With 4 cardboard pieces to hold the frame securely, you'll have a stable and stylish photo opportunity. Make your first day of school photos unforgettable. What we like? This pack includes 29 fun props plus a dedicated photo frame, offering a complete photo booth experience. Assembly is quick and easy with the provided adhesive and sticks. If you want a comprehensive and engaging photo prop set for your back-to-school event that includes a frame for extra flair, this is a convenient all-in-one solution. What people say. The wooden frame is sturdy and well-made, perfect for displaying school photos. Includes a variety of fun and colorful designs that kids will love. Easy to assemble and use, making picture-taking a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.